We interrupt our normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. We have detected 5 ballistic missiles from North Korea to hit 5 different cities. These targets include New York City, New York; Los Angeles, California; Chicago, Illinois; Houston, Texas; and Washington, D.C. If you are in one of the following localities, seek fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is the deadliest part of a nuclear weapon as it spreads through hundreds of miles. We also suggest the rest of the United States to seek fallout shelter immediately. Those states also include Connecticut, Rhode Island, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Maine, Pennsylvania, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Wyoming, Montana, New Mexico, Arizona, Louisiana, Colorado, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Mississippi. We will update you when the missiles have struck the 5 cities.